How's it going, guys? I just realized I can plug my ghostbox into my car radio through the aux port there. I've never tried that, so I don't know. Maybe it'll make the volume a little better. Maybe we can hear it. I thought it'd be cool to kind of run this for a minute and just see how well the audio comes through the video. My biggest issue with these videos that I'm shooting is the audio quality. So I just want to say this. A lot of times what happens is when I'm right there, I'll hear stuff and it'll be fairly clear, sometimes questionable, but there's been many occasions where I've picked up on an EVP and I go back and re-listen and it's just like distorted. I end up putting question marks over the EVP. I don't know what it's saying. In the video, I could not make it out in the actual clip, but in real life, you know, there was something there. So that happens quite often to me. So the big thing is the audio quality. So anyway, I don't mean to ramble on, but anyway, let's see what this does. So 20-125, turn it on, start scanning. So now we're scanning. So it's coming through the speakers in the car. Hello? That's kind of bassy. Hi. I heard hi. Can you use this?
100.
Check? Can you say check? That might have been it right there. Thank you. How many spirits are talking to me? Many. I heard many. Where are you at? Are you in my car?
800.
Where?
That's what he does.
I turn the volume up, make it a little louder, and I'm also gonna change the treble. Let's try to get a higher treble, less bass, minus the bass. There we go. Is that better? Hello?